Hello, hello everyone. It is Mindy and I am here with part 2 of One Day Savings. I have some really fun things to show you here today, if I can talk. Sorry. Let me get into it. I'm going to set these aside. Let's just move a bunch of these and I'll leave one on the counter here. Let's just slide the whole pile over. Okay, so if you know, you know. You know, I fell in love with these snowmen. I think this is number 3. I think this is the 3rd one I've received, and I love them all. I think they are just gorgeous, and I've completed one, and it turned out just beautiful. I fell in love with it. They're big, they're large. There's a lot to drill on these things. It takes some time to do it. Like this little wavy part here, there's no drills. All of the snowman's body, no drills. And most of the hat doesn't get drills. I mean, there's lines that go across and some little dots. But the rest of this, I mean, it gets drills. All of this takes a bunch of time. These flowers, I mean, they do. They take some time. But they are so pretty when they're done. The most fun thing about these is some of the special drills that I have found in them that just really make them extra special. So let's look at the drills and see if we have something unique, you know? All right, let's look at rhinestones first. If I can find the beginning. Where's the beginning? Here we go. So, clear. That's a regular black drill. Pink, purple, blue, a couple of blues, an orange, light peach, lemon yellow, a green, very light green, yep, another blue. So here's the fun stuff. So we have my favorite snowflakes. Those are iridescent little snowflakes. I call them snowflakes. We have some blue shards. Those are smaller blue shards. There's different sizes in the shards. Iridescent faceted rounds. Some blue. Oh, those are so pretty. Orange iridescent faceted rounds. I love these fiery red. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And then we have pink, like the clear pink, in marquee shape. Super pretty. I'm gonna just love it. I need to do a couple more. I'm trying to get to them. But they take some time, like I said. All right, let's look at the next one. Yes, we have another snowman. This might be all of them. That makes 5. It might be all of them. I don't know, but look at this one. Look at the beautiful colors here. Like corally reds and pinks. Oh my gosh. There is a lot on this to work up. There really, really is. And lots of special drills. I'm seeing E, F, H, K. There's a lot of special drills here. So let's get into it and see what we have. Actually, 9 through 18 is special drills. Yeah. All right, here we go. Whoop, they're falling out all over the place. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Oh, super pretty pink. 2 bags of it. When I tell you there's a lot to drill, right? 2 bags of pink rhinestones. What is that? Green? Yeah, that's a green. It's hard to tell at first. Green in there. Another green and another green. Then we have this peachy orange color. A red. A light blue, medium blue, clear, and some black, little bit of yellow, and I don't know, what's the difference between these two? This has a little gray to it, it looks like. Look at this. This is like a rainbow almost. I'm seeing green and yellow and red and orange and pink in those. Those are so pretty. So pretty. And then we have the same color next to it. So we have rounds and we have marquees in the same colors. Love that. Some big red round. Then we have the clear iridescent marquees. A few little blues. Some white pearls. And to top it off, I believe these are his buttons. Yes, those are his buttons and they go on his hat. Love these. They're so cool, you guys. They're so cool. All right, so there's the 2 snowmen. 2 more snowmen. Now, what do we have in our little packages? I have no idea. What comes in small packages? Good things. Something wooden. something wooden in a small package. Oh, I did get this. I'm happy I got this. Okay, I forgot I ordered it. So let's get into it. I don't know when you'll see this video, if it's going to be during Smashing the Specials or after, I don't know. But if it's during Smashing the Specials, just know that I'm going to pull this out and do this. I am. There's what the toolkits look like. He's little, but he's cute. He's little, but he's mighty. Okay, really? Ugh. I've had to get after these wooden ones before with a nail file. It's super tight. Anyhow, he goes in there. I might have to nail file him too. He says ho 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 on his hat, and he's holding a Christmas tree. He's super cute. I mean, he's not very big. What, 6 inches, 7 inches? He's a little guy. He's cute though. I like him. My grandson Jackson asked one day. I still have his little oh, what do I have? Buzz Lightyear sitting over there by the TV. He keeps saying, no, just leave it here. I don't want to take it home. Leave it here. The other day he was here and he's like, Buzz doesn't have a friend because I put the other gnome away. I got to find Buzz a friend, I guess. All right, here we go. A couple of greens, some black, clear, pink, red. Oh my goodness. I would do an entire painting with that color right there. That is the most beautiful color I've ever seen. Look at how pretty that color is. It's a pinky, violet, purpley. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. How about some stars? We only need one. They gave us 3. Some little white pearls and a little red. Super cute. Oh my goodness, I love that color. I want to do a whole painting in that color. All right, let's set him aside here. Here we go. You go over there. And then we have something in a box. We have plastic. That's fun. Let's put him in the trash. If it'll get off of me. Get off of me. Okay. Ooh, careful. What are we doing? Don't break anything. All right. What do we have in the box? In the box. Something that stands up. Here comes a toolkit. Come on. Come on. Here comes some drills. Everything but the actual piece is coming out. Okay, here we go. Oh, yes. Oh, how cute. Oh, my goodness. How cute. I love this. I love it. I love everything about this up here. All the special drills that are going to be up there. Special drills on the hat. I love this. So this one is on acrylic. Remember, all these things have a film on them, and they really fit in these slots best when you get all the film off and stuff like that. So it doesn't want to go in there right now. I'm not going to mess with it at the moment. See, it will go in there. See, it will go. It's not in there perfect, but it will when you take the films off. There's a film on the back as well. See how it looks white? That means there's a film on it. Peel it off. Sometimes they're hard to get off. How pretty is she? Oh my goodness, I love her. Okay, let's look at her drills. Wah, 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 wah. Oh, wow, look at those. Some big A's right there. Found those. Man, I just pulled out a whole bunch of stuff to iron. Oh, well, they're separate. You can see them, right? You can see them. Look how big those are. Look, it even says A on the bag. A. So we need 3. Looks like we have, oh no, we need 4. We have 6. So, love this. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, what do we have? Clear, some black, orange, green, and this is like a limey green, yellowy, limey green color. Call it what you want. And then we have some of my snowflakes, and we have some iridescent marquee. I love it. I love her. She's so like fancy. She's a fancy snow girl. She's a snow girl, got a present. Look at that. I mean, it could be a snowman, snow boy, snow whatever. It's pretty. It's pretty, right? I love it. Love, 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 love it. All right. So that is what I got for my second part of One Day Savings. Thank you, One Day Savings. I'll link everything below. so you can find them easily if it's something you're interested in, and throw it in your cart, right? Throw it in your cart. Just throw it in there. Okay? All right. I'm going to let everybody go. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe button. I hope you hang out and watch more videos and enjoy what you see here. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.